Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the wait is over. It's time to meet our winner for DCTV Entertainment Spin Day. Okay, give them a round of applause. Okay guys, congratulations.
What's up? Yo, what's up? Once again, it's 2 motherfucking pair, DCTV Entertainment. So, shoutout sa merch namin bago, Allergic to Marites, na lalabas yan soon sa mga outlet natin, alright? So, kasama natin si JL.
Yes, sir.
Mixtape. And of course, man, what's the day today? Maybe it's a kicks day for JL, pare. Bibigyan ni Danny, pare, ng shoes, pare. Sino tao magbibigay ng shoes, man?
Big shout out to the one and only.
One and only, nag-iisa lang
Visionary,
yan.
man.
Shout out to you, Danny, man. So, nandito kami Soler. What's new? This is the second home of the Visionary. So, abangan nyo na lang mamaya. And of course, ang pinaka-agenda natin is we have 2 lucky winners na mabibigyan ngayon ng prize para sa kanila. So, kung gusto nyo na maka-experience din ng DCTV lifestyle, man, ano lang kayo, patuloy lang kayo sumuporta sa page. Mag-announce kami ng mga games, mga events, chance to win a cash prize or something like this, man. Luxury living, lavish life, man, for just one day only, man. Pero of course, man, shout out, abangan nyo na lang lahat. Mixtape. Let's go.
All right. Every time I see that, I can't get serious. So cute, man.
Yo, what's up? It's 2 fucking pair, man. DCTV Entertainment. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Nike Store, man. For our Facebook winners, we keep our promise. That's DCTV style, man. And we have 2 winners, man. Of course, syempre, papakilala ko ang aming crew. Nandito ang mga artists. We have TOY.
Why, baby?
Mix. This is JR.
Let's go. And adding to that, man, JL, mayroon din siyang regalo kay Danny, man, na kicks. Oh, man. You know what time is it? It's DCTV fucking time. And of course, before anything else, bago tayo magsimula sa lahat ng gagawin natin, I would like to introduce to everybody the one and only, the freshest. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, DCTV Danny, man.
BC. No, not BC today. Not BC today. We have 2 winners today. We're giving out 2 pairs of shoes. 2 lucky winners. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, that's for you.
So happy, sobrang saya ko na. Hindi ko in-expect na ako yung mananalo.
And you,
Hindi ko rin akalain na ako.
So anyway, paano niyo po na-reach out yung DCTV Entertainment? Like,
May effort. Yung kanta ko na lifestyle.
Kanta nga muna, kantay mo ang lifestyle. Lifestyle. Alala mo, gusto mo rin. Darating nyo na.
You can pick any pair of shoes, and you pick any pair, right? Tell them. What? Wait, where's Jay?
Jay.
Hey, Jay, you got me?
I got you.
Come here and shut this shit down, man. Listen, this is Jay, our newest artist to DCTV Entertainment. So he gonna get a pair of shoes. So you pick one.
Yeah, for sure.
Nakapili ka na ba?
Yes,
Nakapili
napili
ka
na
na.
ako. Anyway, gusto ko nga pakilala ulit. This is JL, a new artist from DCTV Entertainment. I want to shout out, syempre sa boss namin, kay Boss Danny, DCTV, sa lahat ng mga ng fan. Salamat sa warm welcome, sa lahat ng suporta. At syempre sa mga bagong susunod at bago na susunod ng mga pakinig sa amin. Yo, check this out. Nakipaigan nyo lahat ng music namin sa lahat ng music platforms. Available na lahat sa Spotify, iTunes, iCloud, SoundCloud, sa lahat ng music platforms na check our latest single track, Pull Up, and How to Sing. You know what it is? This is JL. This is TV.
And we just copy.
From ChatGPT.
When he sent me that, I took off. I was smoking a cigarette. I took off my sunglasses. I said, "You copy and paste this shit."
Yeah. Ayan, from ChatGPT, boss.
I was like, "Look at this fucker trying to act professional and shit." Like, you play basketball? Oh, really?
Yung ganito na lifestyle, alam kong gusto mo rin. Darating yung right time, mararanasan mo na rin. Yung
My goodness! Hey,
alam kong gusto mo rin. Darating yung right time, mararanasan mo na rin. Hey, just love me, that's right, kaya ako natin na
Tignan nyo, guys. Please.
What is this?
I think it's a gold. Wala nang lagayan niya, guys. May ganito pa. Gandang bongga.
Thank you for that.
welcome to the team.
yung ganito na lifestyle, alam kong gusto mo rin. Darating yung right time, mararanasan mo na rin. Yung ganito na lifestyle, alam kong gusto mo rin. Darating yung right time, mararanasan mo na rin.
Shout out to Swaz Danny. Siyempre, maraming salamat. Again, thank you for the warm welcome for all these TV members, from babes and artists. Siyempre, kay Cassie. Shout out, boss. Thank you.
Hey, Mick. You should teach over there. I did it. Been looking at us all night. All night.
Do whatever you want, boss. Really? Yeah. Plano daw ba kayo after?
I know. Yung gusto mo kahit tayo.
Kaya.
DCTV Gaming! DCTV for life!
So yun nga pala, congratulations sa mga nanalo. We have 2 winners. At syempre hindi nagpahuli ang ating bagong artist, si JL. Fuck, may nagaganda ng mga sapatos nila. So TOY. TOY, ano mo sasabi mo sa kanila, men?
Yo, congrats sa lahat ng mga nanalo, men. Kay Kuya tsaka kay ate, congrats sa kanila sa nanalo ng pair of shoes. So kaya dito kami sa Nike, pauwi na kami, kakain muna kami. Yeah!
What up, it's your boy JL, J.A.E. Vaya Yanel. And I'm together with the TV family. And syempre, gusto ko nga palang magpasalamat kay Boss Danny, to DCTV for the one and only, yeah, the visionary DCTV Danny. Thank you DCTV Entertainment for the warm welcome. And syempre, maraming salamat sa lahat ng opportunities. And yeah, abangan nyo na rin yung lahat ng mga paparating namin na kanta. Tignan mo naman binigay sa akin ni Boss Danny. Yeah, big shout out to Danny, Boss Danny, DCTV. Yes, sir. So yeah, this is JL, DCTV baby, DCTV for life.
So yun, natapos na natin nabila ng winners ng shoes. Syempre hindi pa nagtatapos lahat dyan. So ngayon, naghanap tayo ng kakainan and they will bond on us, DCTV style, man. Let's go.
It's okay. No. No, it's not, boss.
Disney spin game, anong pakiramdam mo na ikaw yung nalaro sa akin? Para ako, ang sapatos.
Sobrang saya kasi hindi ko in-expect.
Patingin ang saya. Ganyan, ano saya.
Hindi ko in-expect na ako mananalo.
Inabol ka lang, di ba? Anong
Nabalitaan ko lang dun sa content na ako yung nanalo.
napanood niyo ba ba sa television?
Replay na lang.
Replay na lang.
Kaya ano-
Busy ka kaya ano? Tapos nagulat ka na nalo ka.
Kaya nung pinanood ko, sinip ko na kagad sa anak ko. Sa,
May mga sumali ba sa mga kakilala mo? May mga sumali? Meron.
Ano masasabi niyo sa mga sumali na hindi na natin?
Sabay lang sila mag-share, tsaka mag-comment, mag-like lang. Share nila sa yung page.
Next time meron pa.
And guys, don't forget to stay connected and follow DCTV.
Next time meron
DCTV
pa.
Entertainment. Until next time, meron pa. Marami pa kaming mga pa-games at yung mga prize mas bongga. Trip to ganyan, mali trip to
Palawan.
Japan, trip to Boracay. So,
Yeah.
sumala lang kayo. Lagi kayo mag-share and
Comment.
comment.
Sana all. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
So yun, mamimili kami ng mga sangkap sa hypermarket para sa gaganapin na foundation bukas. Magpapa-feeding tayo tomorrow sa Marikina. And yun, abangan nyo na rin yung mga susunod na clips para doon. And big shoutout sa mga sumusuporta dyan sa Marikina. And also, sana lahat ng mga bata mag-enjoy! At yung bibili namin ngayon ng mga sangkap is para sa mga officials, no? Tama? Uy, gagi ka! Sabi.
So yun, so tapos na yung agenda natin for today, man. Nabigyan natin yung mga Facebook winners. And kumain tayo kasama sila, syempre. And tomorrow, meron tayong malupit na content. So pupunta tayo sa Marikina, man. Magbibigay tayo sa isang school doon. Basta bukas, panoorin nyo na lang, abangan nyo. Mag-grocery muna tayo para sa kanila, alright? Yeah.
Bagong content na naman, kaya abangan ninyo, okay?